Hello everyone, this is Dave from DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to browse your videos, audios and more files on your Google TV. This is simple. Please watch the video right up to the end as it is a short and quick video, and if you like it, please make sure to subscribe so that we'll be able to create more videos like this. So let's get into it. Here's my Google TV. I'm using the on TV box. So now on Google TV, there is no dedicated feature to browse your audio, videos, and so on. If you go out to your settings, you're not going to see any feature or function that allows you to browse your videos and media on your Google TV. But there is this application which is best for that. It is called File Manager. So the File Manager application allows you to browse your images, your audio, your videos, your documents, your apps, and so on. So if you have any of these five media on your Google TV, this application allows you to browse them, to manage them, to delete them, and also to view them. So for instance, you can view images over here, you can view audio if you have any, you can view videos if you have any, you can view documents if you have any, and also you can view apps if you have any on your Google TV. So this File Manager Plus application allows you to do all of that on your Google TV, since there is no dedicated feature on your Google TV to do that. So the question you might be having right now is, how do you install this application to your Google TV? It is very simple. On your Google TV, go back to apps, click on app and just click on search the application File Manager. It is called File Manager Plus. But what you have to do is just go over here and type in File Manager. When you type in File Manager and search, you're going to see the application over here, and then you can quickly install it to your Google TV and start using. So that's it about this video. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this.